Now Blue Pandas. Steven Choa directing traffic. Gives it to Mari. Perez. Stolen by Chris Mark. 3 against 2. Williamson with a high skying rebound. Wants to post it. He's fouled by Perez.
After Bautista picking up his 4th foul, Perez also pick up his 3rd. So balik dito si Grant. Punta natin dito yung free throw percentage ito ng Cultural. They're shooting 38% with
Ito naman yung problema. Ito naman yung problema ngayon ng Uno High School. Ang laki ng lamang nila, pero foul trouble situation yung iba sa kanya ng players.
Sabi natin kanina, kakambal kasi ng pressure defense yung foul. So, kung ako si Coach Matthew, leading by 27, even though I'm on foul trouble, I'm gonna keep on pressuring the ball. O alam naman natin kung bakit ko nakuha yung ganyang kalamangan. It's because of my pressure defense.
Golden Seagulls still could not connect on that Rainbow Country. Ramos with a lefty layup. It's good for Austin Ramos.
Austin Ramos, no resistance, going to the basket.
Austin Ramos again, dishing out. Stephen Wong, one dribble pull-up. And a miss by Stephen. Sorry, that's Shane Wong. Now Meral launches a three-pointer. Still scoreless on that area. Austin Ramos driving inside. He is fouled and he scores. 22 big points for Austin Ramos.
Austin Ramos is like playing in the playground right now. Nagagawa niya lahat ng gusto niyang gawin. No resistance at all. That's the second court-to-court basket for him. So.
Now this guy, unbelievable performance right now. 23 big points. He tied the whole team's scoring output ng Golden Seagulls.
Wow. Yan ang masasabi natin dito. Wow. With 23 points, PCC got 23. Froilimson is not on himself after that injury.
.04 remaining here in the third. 55-23 is our score. Austin Ramos again on top of the key. Grand C. Steven Choa open. Now Meral guarded by Steven. Driving inside, that is short.
It's gonna be more than Miral ang used to attack here para dito sa Seagulls. And Kim Kai should also get that ball and try to attack the basket. Kasi sobrang dry itong offense, itong Cultural. Kaya sila natambakan dito ng 32 points here in the third quarter.
C underneath. No defense right there. An open lane for C. And they turn the ball over. Blue Pandas ball.
It's gonna be a 34-point lead with 5 minutes left here. Look at the face of Coach Lester Del Rosario.
She could not connect that. Save. Now she inside. Oh my goodness. Everything going in for the Uno High School Blue Pandas.
Before that basket, the effort of the Blue Pandas saving that ball, keeping the ball alive. Parang sila yung sinasabi natin, para sila yung naghahabol dito. Parang
Oo.
sila yung naghahabol ng 30 points.
Now Grand C, full head of steam, sidestep. A lot of contact right there. And a couple of misses for Grand C. Miral takes it all the way. Wala pa rin. Kim Kai finally.
Finally, a basket para dito sa Seagulls. Muntik na sila doon. Another go. Open basket para doon sa Blue Pandas.
Oo.
Swerte na yung, tatawag na natin swerte yung Seagulls doon kasi nagmintis pa.
And now Chris Mark Meral scores that floater. Now a 32-point lead. 3:32 remaining. Steven Choa inside. But Yu is there. Now Steven Choa gives it to Shea for 3. Yes! String music for Shea.
Pwede mo kong talunin sa puntos, pero ang pinaka-ayoko sa coach, matatalo tayo sa effort natin. That
Oo.
basket came from the offensive rebound. Kumbaga tayo na nga nag-ahabol. Tayo pa tong hindi aggressive. Tayo pa tong ayaw magpakamatay sa bola.
Oo.
Diba?
Now Grand C uses the pick. That's unusual. The guards are giving screens right
Wow.
now, and Grand C scores. $35 points. That's their deficit. Kim Kai spins. And that is good for Kim Kai plus the foul.
We have a 2-week break before this game. So, pwede nating sabihin, the rest of cultural going to this game. Sobrang, sabi natin, sobrang dry yung offense. Sobrang walang ka-aggressiveness on defense. Yayakapin ka pa ng malas.
Less than 3 minutes here in the third quarter. Austin Ramos sidestep. Wants that foul right there. Now the Golden Seagulls and a steal. Floater, that will not go. Austin Ramos is there. The intensity of Austin Ramos.
Another offensive rebound and a basket para sa Blue Pandas.
Now Chris Mark Peral spots up. An air ball for Chris Mark. $34 points ang kanilang hinahabol. The Golden Seagulls could not catch a break all 3 quarters. Now Uno Blue Pandas. Austin Ramos gets the pick by Grand C. 9 seconds. Now C, floater. Everything going in.
They keep on attacking. Talagang kinuha na nila to. Binasag na talaga nila itong spirit, itong cultural. Parang talagang gusto na nilang manalo dito as early as third quarter kung pwede nilang tapusin na to. Yun yung mindset dito ng Blue Pandas in this game.
Now Austin Ramos, too passive on that play. Saved it to the wrong guy. Less than a minute remaining here in the third. It's the Golden Seagulls with the possession. Full court, man-to-man defense. Key, floater. William, the Key brothers could not connect for PCC Golden Seagulls. Now 30 seconds remaining. Grant C kicks it out to Austin Ramos. 19 seconds left. What will the Golden Seagulls do? Chris Mark Miral. He is fouled.
So again, going to the free throw line itong Seagulls. So that's the story of this ball game. The defense of Blue Pandas stepped up in this quarterfinal game. And the effort of the white shirts and mga bataan nito ni Coach Matthew Yu.
Now it's a 35-point lead. 14 seconds remaining here in the third. Austin Ramos with 25 big points. They love running that horns play. 5 seconds remaining. Grant C to beat the buzzer. 70-33. A ridiculous performance by the Blue Pandas. 37 points ang kanilang hinahabol. 70-33, Blue Pandas.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
Last 10 minutes. A really high mountain to climb for the Golden Seagulls.
As you can see on the screen, one of my boys from Hope Christian High School is watching right here. They're excited to be joining here in the PCYA. Hopefully next year, we're going to have a team in the 18 and under.
Start of the fourth quarter brought to us by Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Limson attacking inside. Steal. Austin Ramos gives it to C. Adjusts mid-air. Kim Kai launches it. Kanila pa rin ang rebound. Froy Limson gives it to Miral. Free for the three. 3 offensive rebounds right now. And finally,
Bilang na bilang natin dito yung mga field goals itong cultural.
Grant C's pull-up jumper did not go. Now Froy Limson running. Kim Kai, he's fouled and he scores. Basket and one for Kim Kai. He's now got 13 points.
Minsan yan na lang sinasabi sa mga players ko eh. Wag na lang natin dagdagan yung lamang na yan. Kung pwede natin bawasan to be respectable, gawin natin. Coming to the fourth quarter, down by 35 or 40 points. Talagang kung ikaw si Coach Lester dito, wag na lang talaga lumaki pa. Diba? Control it, andyan na yan, or pwede pa natin pababain.
Now, if Uno High School wins this game, they will book that final ticket to the semifinals. And again, Steven C with that putback. 74-38. Chris Mark Miral, Kim Kai, left wing three. That is short. Mari with a rebound.
So Austin here. Kumbaga hindi pa sinasab ni Coach Matthew too, even though with the lead they have. Kumbaga he want to keep, kumbaga gusto niya pa makuha ng rhythm. Ito yung mga bataan niya coming to the game on Thursday.
Now Froy Limson, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Chris Mark Miral, still 0 field goals on that Rainbow Country. See driving, drops it to Mari. Itong Uno High School coach, ang dali ng basketball para sa kanila ngayon.
Sobra. Kasi yung primary defense, itong cultural, wala. So break down yung primary defense. Every time they drive, they look for a man. It's an open guy underneath the ring. Kaya mga ganun yung mga sitwasyon nun. Another, Austin Ramos outrunning everyone here.
27 big ones for Austin Ramos. Have yourself a day, Austin. And he's still not finished, Coach. Malayo pa tayo. 7 minuto pa dito sa fourth and final quarter. Now 9 seconds to work with. Froil Limson. That's off iron. Now Austin Ramos. Kicks it out. Steven C. Baseline sidestep. Saves it to the wrong guy. Now key is open. Finally.
I think that's the easiest shot for the night. Dalawang fast break points na yun, yung nabigay dito ng Blue Pandas para sa Seagulls. Sino yung pinakamadaling puntos na makukuha nila dito. And the rest, sobrang hirap. Speaking of madali, umiscore. Tingnan mo naman gano'ng kadali umiscore para dito sa Blue Pandas, Ked.
Austin Ramos slicing and dicing through the defense of the Golden Seagulls. 40-point lead, 80-40. Blue Pandas.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $999. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid.
The final 6 minutes and 12 seconds here in the ball game. And the fans of Uno High School really happy with what they're seeing right now. A 40-point lead for the home team. 80-40. Still, the Golden Seagulls could not connect on that three-point land.
So, tingnan mo dito yung lineup ni Coach Matthew. Talagang pinahingan niya na dito si Austin, si Steven Choa. So, it's time, pagbibigyan niya pa dito ng mga one time itong si Mari because no Mari should get more, kumbaga, yung rhythm na kailangan nila. Mas gusto, may pipigay niya pa to si Jarvis Mari coming to the game on Thursday.
And that's another successful stop para na naman dito sa Blue Panthers. Jarvis Mari taking it all the way, but wala nga lang doon. Now William Key pushes his defender. Francis gets the rebound. Now Kim Kai driving baseline. Almost shut down. It's unbelievable.
Sino ba may lamang? Sino ba may lamang?
Yeah, it's unbelievable for
Titingnan
a
mo.
quarterfinals game na maging blowout game siya. Lalo na 40 points.
The effort of these white shirts, sobrang, kumbaga, yun talaga yung makikita mo dito, nagpaiba sa kanila sa game na to. They out-rebound, out-hustled. Yung aggressiveness nila talaga from the first quarter hanggang matapos tayo dito, nandun pa rin.
Now 7 seconds to work with. Blue Pandas, Wong fakes, fly by 3. Rebounded by Francis Key. Chua in the middle. Key on the attack, baseline, fades away and scores.
Nagkausap nga rin kami dito ni Coach Lester before the game at sinabi niya walang mawawala dito sa lineup niya coming to the next season. So they're still intact. They're gonna get this season 11 as a preparation for the season 12. Kung walang mawawala, ibig sabihin, kumbaga, pagdating ng season 12, kumbaga mga veterano na talaga to.
For sure.
With the height that they have.
4-0-1.
Limson, Kim Kai is coming back, Lester Fu. Kaya talagang ibang team na to next year nitong Seagulls. Tsaka itong bataan nila coach Lester Del Rosario.
.38 game. 3:58 remaining here in the fourth and final quarter. One team advances and one team goes home. Now Chua. Wow! And the crowd loves it.
Sarap maglaro, sarap ng mga classmates mo no?
Yeah,
Alam mo
actually,
yun,
it's the whole
crowd,
team.
Yes.
Another fadeaway. But it's a different result right there for Q.
So it's gonna be 2 free throw para dito kay Q. So isa din to na kapag ito na-develop, it's gonna be a problem underneath because he had that soft touch. Dapat yung mga mid-range jumper
Malaki siya,
nito.
coach, di ba? Matangkad. Now he converts that to free throws. Still a 38-point lead. Blue Pandas turnover. Santos running. Miral on the left wing. Kai, traveling violation.
Still, until patapos na tayo dito, nadadagdagan pa rin yung turnover dito ng cultural. Oh.
Naistilan doon si Lau. Yun nga lang, sablay ang tira doon ni Chris Mark Miral. Rodriguez kicks it out. Masyadong malakas yung pasa.
Look at Coach Lester. Alam naman natin, malamang ngayon, it's gonna be a break from them. Probably after whole week, babalik yung mga yan. Restart. Kumbaga, ihimayin mo yung nangyari this season. Titingnan mo ngayon kung ano pa yung players natin, sino matitira, paano natin pagagalingin to, ano idadagdag natin. Para kaming season 11, they're gonna be ready.
Now Uno Blue Pandas running again. Bautista. Rather, that's Chua. A couple of misses for Chua. Now the other Chua is running. And he scores on that second attempt. Cyrus Chua. Final 2 minutes of this ball game. Rodriguez against Chris Mark Miral. Malakas na naman yung pasa. Now Bautista. Rodriguez inside. Got again by Lau. At ayun, mapuputokan sila ng 24. Final 1:29 of this ball game. Uno Blue Pandas still ahead by a large margin, 82-46.
We all know that MGC is monitoring this game. So alam na nila kung sino yung mga kalaban nila on Thursday. So it's gonna be an advantage para dito sa Uno coming from that 2 weeks break. Makakalaro muna sila going to the semifinals game. Kumbaga pangtanggal lang to ng rust eh. So coming off a
natanggal
game.
na yung kalawang sa kanila.
Yes. And it's a big morale win para sa kanila. 40-point win game against PCC. Going to the semifinals. Talagang equip sila nun. Diba? With the mental, physical. Kumbaga, going to that semifinals, they have the advantage for me. Even though that MGC will gonna have the 2-game advantage. Pero yun na nga. Pagdating sa playoffs, wala nang 2-game, kumbaga wala nang advantage yan eh. Kumbaga wala nang mga twice to beat na yan eh. Pagdating sa playoffs, 0-0 yan.
Now the final minute of this ball game. Kim Kai carrying his team on his shoulders all game long. And the foul. Santos getting that bucket +1.
Santos keep on attacking. So usually, dun mo makukuha yung trust ng coach mo eh. Pag mga ganito, garbage time. Pag nilagay ka, dapat di mo papakita sa coach mo na, kumbaga, manghihina ka dahil ganitong minutes ka lang niyang ginamit. Yung mindset mo dapat, parang starting 5 ka pa rin.
Oo. And that's what you like about Santos right now. Ganun yung ginagawa niya. He's still aggressive. He's playing intense right now. His tenacity does not go down. But the Blue Pandas, it's still an impossible feat right now for the Golden Seagulls. And now, the Blue Pandas are 13 seconds away from the semifinals berth. And that will do it. Uno Blue Pandas. An overwhelming lead. A blowout game against Philippine Cultural College Golden Seagulls. 32 big points. It was a story of defense. Although PCC out-rebounded the Blue Pandas by 3 points, 64-61, still the Blue Pandas prevailed this game. 8 out of 24 on the three-point area against 0 out of 17. And we now have the best player of the ball game, Austin Ramos, 29 big points. What can you say more about this guy? Right from the first quarter, siya na yung mainit, and the whole team ang nadala niya dito sa 32-point lead win against Philippine Cultural College. And for the Golden Seagulls, nothing to be ashamed of. You still have the next season. Your team is very young. And the Uno Blue Pandas finally booking the last seat at the semi-finals. They will face MGC on Thursday. Tatanggal na yung Kalawang after that 2-week break sa ating PCYAA Season 11. All smiles from the crowd, the players, and the coaches of this Uno High School Blue Pandas. We still have one more game. St. Jude Catholic School will go up against St. Stephen's High School when we return.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy. Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy. Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.